Hi, this is WPS Assistant. I am here to guide you through today's video about some basic techniques that most of our users sometimes having trouble with. The purpose of this video is to help you have a better understanding towards our product, in order to achieve a more efficient and more convenient experience. Today, we are going to focus on some of most used shortcut keys that are shared in all of our WPS products, including Spreadsheet, Word document, and presentation. Through a better usage of shortcut key, it will shorten your working time significantly. Let's get started. These are the most basic shortcut keys that you can use to replace some simple actions, such as select every word instantly or changing the font type. It's a simple operation for you just need to press Control button on your keyboard and press another key together. For more detailed video illustration, please keep on watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and we hope to see you next time.